Hi guys, we're going to check out the top race 4-channel RC airplane, the Sky Eagle. It's a little mini cub, got about a 20-inch wingspan, 400mm class. Let's get her up in the sky and see what you can do. Thanks for watching. A little breezy. Nice. Nice and floaty. Oh yeah. Like it. Very nice flying plane, guys. Handling this breeze like nobody's tomorrow. Very cool. Good range. Alright, let's bring it around, try a loop. Look at that. Very cool. Look at that. Nice. Well guys, I recommend this plane for sure to anybody. It's a great flying airplane. Right out of the box. They didn't have to trim anything on this. It's flying right out of the box right there. Very good setup. Very good job, Top Race. Another loop. Wow, very cool. These are reinforced with carbon fiber. All of the control surfaces, the wing, even down the middle of the body. So you can be aggressive with them. And they are tough. Let me tell you. So what if it's not a perfect landing? This thing will be alright. Alright, I think I've kept you long enough. Let's get it lined up to come in for landing. It's a gliding, folks. Look at that. She glided right in there, no problem. Not a perfect landing, but a soft landing. There you have it. Top Race Sky Eagle. Get you one. 119 bucks on normally. I bought this one on sale for $89.97. Amazon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.